Up and racing. We have in fairness draws for your lead, Sir Henry. Moving up by the round, Mr. Lindros. Shut up now, rushing up to take third, Pilio. King Aljun in fairness now in behind them as they race towards the 900 meters pole. Sir Henry in command, shut up now in second. Pilio moving a party outside. Then by the round, Mr. Lindros, King Aljun, and in fairness is in behind them. Rounding at the 600. Now we have Pilio moves up to grab the lead. Shut up, shuffle back in second, racing in third, Sir Henry, then moving up King Aljun. Mr. Lindros also closing in as they race for home. Jesse Apelido on top of horse Pilio is still with tight range, running by the rail second, Sir Henry. King Aljun moving a party outside. Pilio, King Aljun, Sir Henry is by the rail. Pilio, King Aljun is already outside trying to make a bit, but Pilio by about a length and a half. King Aljun remains in second, and finally Pilio, King Aljun in fairness. Shut up, Sir Henry, Mr.